Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to have Google Chrome open specific web page or pages at the startup. So when you relaunch or launched the Chrome web browser, if you wanted to load a specific web page, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon, and you just need to scroll down and select settings. Click on it. On left side, select on startup. On right side, you just need to select open a specific page or set of pages. You can use a current page guys over here, or you can also add a new page. Click on it and you just need to type the URL of the page, or you can also copy and paste it. I'm gonna type google.com for example. Click on add. So once you are done with that, and let me just adding more of it, youtube.com, select add. Now you just need to close it off here. After adding it, close it off the Chrome, and now you just need to relaunch the Chrome. It should launch the web pages that you are specified. That's all you have to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.